Hey everyone, today I'm taking you to a place that holds a very special place in my heart. A place where I've been blessed with miracles and experienced the power of faith. Every visit brings me a sense of peace and gratitude. So today I want to share this sacred place with you along with the fascinating story behind its origin. But what makes this temple so special? To understand that, we have to go back nearly 150 years to a small village called Narasayanapalya. It was here that an ordinary cowherd named Appaya from the Arasu family experienced something extraordinary, an event that changed the history of this place forever. One day, while grazing cattle near a lake, he heard a mysterious voice calling from the lake. It said, "Take me with you, take me to your home." Frightened Abhaya looked around, but there was no one. He ignored the voice and hurried away. But the same voice called out again the next day and the day after, continuing for several days. Unable to ignore it any longer, Abhaya finally replied, "I need to ask my mother." When he returned home, he shared the strange experience with her. She told him, "Go back to the lake and tell the voice that if you're a divine being, you're welcome home. But if you're not, do not follow us." The following day, Abbaya repeated those words at the lake. This time, the voice revealed itself to be Goddess Mahalakshmi. She instructed him to spread the cloth draped over his shoulder on the ground. As he did, the goddess is believed to have manifested herself upon it, bearing the sacred Shankha, Chakra, lotus, and the hand of blessing. Filled with devotion, Abbaya carried the sacred shrine home and worshipped the goddess every day. After his passing, the responsibility was taken over by his brother Totadappa. Sometime later, the goddess instructed him to move the shrine to Goravanahalli, laying the foundation for what would later become the temple we see today. Another story closely associated with the temple speaks of a group of thieves who tried to steal the goddess's ornaments. According to the local belief, they were immediately struck blind. Realizing their mistake, they sought the goddess for forgiveness. It is believed that she instructed them to build a shelter using clay mixed with tender coconut water as an act of repentance. According to the local tradition, over time the worship gradually faded and the shrine was eventually forgotten. Years later, a devoted woman named Kamalamma discovered the goddess hidden among the grasses. She is believed to have received the blessings of Mahalakshmi and was instructed to continue the worship. With unwavering faith, Kamalamma went from house to house collecting pulses as alms, and these offerings were prepared as naivedya for the goddess and later distributed as prasad to the devotees. As the years passed, stories of goddess's grace spread far beyond the village. Devotees come here seeking blessings for marriage, children, prosperity, and well being of their families. The temple is located in Goravanalli near Korutigere in Tumakuru district, around 80 to 90 kilometers from Bengaluru. It is generally open from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Tuesdays and Fridays are considered especially auspicious for worshipping goddess Mahalakshmi. The temple also attracts large number of devotees during Varamalakshmi Vrata, Navaratri, Deepavali, and the spectacular Lakshadweepotsava, when thousands of lamps illuminate the temple in the beautiful display of devotion. When you are here, don't miss to visit the Moola Brindavana of Srimati Mate Kamalamma. Just a few minutes walk from the Lakshmi temple is the Venkateshwara Swami temple. Do not miss the opportunity to seek the blessings of Lord Venkateshwara as well. Right opposite to the temple lies Tita Dam. The still waters, gentle breeze, and the peaceful surroundings make it a wonderful spot to sit back and soak in the beauty of nature. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed exploring this hidden gem, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more road trips, temple trails, hidden destinations, and unforgettable travel experiences. See you in the next journey.